everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I will be opening up my Allure beauty box, and the box looks a little different this month because they're collaborating with Huda Beauty. So I'm really excited to see what we have in store in this box, and hopefully you can use everything. So I may have said something that was incorrect in a recent video. I said that Huda Beauty, that they use mink, but then I've got several comments saying that is not true. They use all faux mink. So and then that they don't test their products on animals, so they are cruelty free. Being like new to the cruelty free world it's kind of confusing sometimes, because I could have sworn, maybe it was an older video, but I was watching a cruelty free beauty blogger or vlogger, and they're saying that they don't use Huda Beauty for the reason I said, that they use mink. So I guess I was wrong. So if someone wants to educate us down below just to confirm that that is correct, that would be amazing. But anyways, let's get into the box. If you do not know, Allure Beauty Box is obviously a beauty box owned by the company Allure, and it is $10 for your first box and then $15 after. You usually get a nice gift with your first box as well. It's a pretty good box. For the price, you definitely get your value in. You often get full-size products, which is kind of unheard of with more affordable beauty boxes, but let's see what we got this month. When we open it, the inside of the box looks different too. It says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. And I see her face on there. She's gorgeous. So here is Huda. I think she started as like a social media influencer, and now she has a beauty brand, so that is super cool. So in here it'll talk more about the products. Well, it doesn't talk too much. It usually gives like the editor's perspective on the items and why they chose them. And then here is everything underneath. So one item is outside of the bag, and then the rest is in here. And look, she's in the box again. So cool. So they give you these bags that you can repurpose. They've been like neon this summer. That's cool. So I like how the bag looks. So let's start with the item that's outside the bag though. So this is by Huda Beauty. And it also says Allure Incorporated. So this is one of their liquid matte lipsticks. I've never tried anything by this brand, mostly because I was under the impression I couldn't, and I just never received anything prior to that. So and it says, this is cute, Huda Beauty loves Allure. And this is the lipstick. So yeah, this is definitely full size. This is pretty. So I want to keep it for myself if Huda is cruelty free. But let's read more about it. Maybe it says something in here. Oh, so this is an Allure Beauty Box exclusive. Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. Awesome. It doesn't have a price in here, I guess because it's an exclusive. So it says, finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange-red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for your July beauty box. You can only get this to a bright matte summer perfection right here. So that's super cool to get an exclusive beauty product. So I'm definitely going to swatch this right now. I'm not going to put it on right now. I don't think it matches, but I will wear this definitely in some videos like tomorrow. You guys, I have like 11 boxes to open, so you might see a lot of me soon. Oh, that's pretty. That's bright. So it seems pretty liquidy. I'll see how it dries down and everything. I usually don't wear colors like this all the time, but I'm willing to be adventurous and wear it soon and let you guys know what it's like. Again, that is very pretty. So it's liquid now. We'll see how matte it gets, see if it transfers and all that. So now let's get into the products inside the bag. The first thing I see, I'm excited to get. So this is like a sample size or deluxe size. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer, and I already have one of these, but there's not much left. It was also this size. I think I got it like in a Sephora Play. So this is a good primer. It smells like peaches. It's supposed to say that you look like you got a full night's rest and your skin looks more radiant and hydrated. I tend to gravitate towards more hydrating primers, and I do like this one, so I am happy to get it again. And let's see, they might have like the full size pricing in here if you're curious. The full size is $34. Wow, that's expensive for a primer, but I'm happy to have this size so I can use it more. It looks like we have another Huda Beauty product, and they are lashes. So I never wear lashes, and I want to start. These are some intense ones. Look at it, they're like fluffy and big. I'm sure they look so good. Like, I don't really have any lashes at all. Like, I wear mascara and you still can't even tell. So this is a Samantha No. 7 Classic. So maybe I'll give these a try. Let's see if it says anything about mink on here. It says synthetic false lashes. So These are definitely not mink. And let's see what it says about these. So these are $20. The Huda Beauty Classic Lash and Samantha Beach Ball Lashes are one of Katan's all-time bestsellers, and it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they're wispy and pretty. They look more like a fresh lash extension than a crazy fan of false lashes. I love how light and flexible they felt. Others can be stiff and heavy. My favorite way to apply falsies: measure first by holding the out to your lash line and then trim any excess from the outer corners. Coat the base using a lash glue with a brush applicator. Press the center of the lashes on first and then gently tap down on the rest. So these potentially might go in my 6,000 subscriber giveaway, but I might try them out. I want to get more adventurous, so I'm going to try with like some cheaper lashes first, because I don't want to like totally destroy $20 ones. These just, oh my god, I can't even imagine. I would look so different. So, okay, let's move on to the next item. This is a perfume, and I was asked to put more perfumes in my giveaway, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway also, because a lot of perfume companies are not cruelty free, and I don't know this brand. Is this Huda's brand? I think this might, it says hudabeauty.com, so I don't know. This is Kaylee. This is a vanilla scent. Vanilla 28. It says it has notes of vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amberwoods, and musk. So it's like a sample size, similar to many that we get like in Sephora Play. So I have a bunch of perfume. Even this is a cruelty-free brand if it is Huda Beauty, but I'm gonna let one of you guys have this. That's interesting. There's some things listed on here that I did not get in my bag. I don't know if we just get certain things or what. Oh, and by the way, if you want to get this perfume in bigger sizes, the 50 ml is $65, and the 100 ml is $118. I feel like I'm really stumbling over words today. Alright, and next up we have a mask by Tony Moly. This is an Intense Care Gold 24 karat Snail Hydro Gel Mask, and this will definitely be going in the giveaway. Tony Moly is a good brand. I've used them in the past, but this uses snails, and I don't think the brand is cruelty free, so I'm going to pass this on. But let's see what it says. It says this is $10. That's a lot for one mask. And I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. So yeah, I've heard good things about the product. I just choose not to use snail products. So one of you will be winning this. We're getting pretty close to 6,000, you guys. I think we're like 100 and something away now. All right, and then the last thing, which I'm confused about because it lists more things in here, so I don't know if I'm missing products or if there's like variations. Like there's 2 items that are missing according to the sheet, but we have Away Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray, and Away is cruelty free, and I really like their products, and I've never tried their texturizing hairspray, so this is awesome. I was thinking about maybe curling my hair later. I was a little lazy. I want to get started on filming today, so I'm like, oh, maybe I'll switch it up later on so I can try this out. So this is not full size. The full size is 130 grams or 4.5 ounces. This is 1.4 ounces, but the full size is $26. And it says, this formula gave pretty soft volume all over, a few minutes from my roots to my ends, emphasize and define my hair's natural wave, so it looked like I actually spent time styling it, and excellent fake out. I consider I air dried that morning. So this is just like, you know, they don't give like good descriptions in here. They give like a quote by someone. So I guess they're giving their own personal experience. So they said this gave them like beachy nice waves that looked like they styled it, but really they air dried their hair. So I'm excited to use this. And a lot of the Way products, they smell really good. So I'm hoping it smells the same. And then the last things in the in the bag were 2 cards. One is 25% off at Huda Beauty. And then the other one's a scratch off to see what's coming in next month, so I'll do that in a moment. But first I'm going to tell you about what is not in the bag, but I'm not sure if I was supposed to get this or not. One of the products was the Benefit Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color, and the other was Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Zero. So and then it says that Hangover RX Primer on the top of it. So do you guys know? You leave a comment down below. Am I missing items, or were these variations? If you guys could let me know, that would be great. So before we look at the sneak peek, let's just do a quick recap. So we got the lip product, and let's see. Okay, so it's kind of transferring right now. It is drying down, but it's not fully dry, so it does take a few minutes to dry. So you can kind of see it smeared. Once I noticed it, I stopped rubbing. So I'm not sure if it dries all the way, but it definitely is drying down, and that is what it looks like. So it retains the same color. So I'm excited to try that out. The lashes, I'm not sure if I'll keep them or not. They look really pretty. I just honestly don't know how to apply lashes. The mask I can't use, so that's going in the giveaway. The fragrance I'm putting in the giveaway, mostly just because you guys have told me, or at least one of you have told me you like to get fragrances. And then the Hangover RX Primer, this is one I know for sure I'll use up. But I feel like there might be products missing. Oh, and the Way. Maybe not. It just seems like less than usual. I don't know. So yeah, let me know if you guys have heard or watched any other videos, or if you got this box and you received those items and I'm just missing them, or what. I'm guessing it's just variations, but hopefully, I don't know. Let me know, please. But I'm gonna scratch this and let's see. So it says, you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at some of our favorite products coming up in your August beauty box. Scratch off to reveal. So I'm just gonna use this pen. I think I have a coin around here somewhere for this purpose. You know, I'm starting to think that Allure might not be like the best box for people who are cruelty-free. So it says there's something by Ernal Laszlo and multitask eye serum mask, and I'm pretty sure that's not cruelty-free. There's a Benefit, their Real Mascara, not cruelty-free. And then I don't know about these two other brands. There's a Primera Hydrate and Glow Alpine Berry Water Cream, and the Nuria Triple Action Defense Cream, like 2 creams on there. I am sick of getting face creams, to be honest. But we'll see. I guess I'll try it out another month and see what we get. But if we keep getting like mostly things I have to give away, I mean, it's nice to give back to you guys. I love it so much. But some of you guys might be cruelty free as well. So I guess we will see. Definitely leave your thoughts down below. Let me know about the products. Am I missing them? Are there variations? And also if you know more about the Huda Beauty thing, just to confirm that it is okay for me to use, that would be great. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!